Distinguished colleagues, we're working with E. coli, biofilm, microplastics. We're frozen right now, so the growth time is lowered because this doubles every 20 minutes. Inside of each of these, we have various amounts of plastic. We got PLA, we got nylon, good. We have polyethylene, which is a powder form. We got polypropylene, which are beads that are like in a hacky sack. These lids are not on. They're cracked, right? Because it needs air to grow. So essentially, this bacteria doubles every 20 minutes. Therefore, we need to work fast, but we need to be extremely accurate at the same time. That's why they're on ice, to give us a little more leeway on the time. We also have a bunch of people. We have 24 vials. If each of us takes 4, we can be done in about 20 minutes, right? For E. coli overnight, we inoculated a fresh culture. I messed that up, nailed it. We had to dilute it back down with some fresh broth until we got to our ideal growth curve, which isn't really, messed that up too. Don't worry, it'll be fine. This is all for practice. Then we already made our acetic acid. We got all of our materials ready. It should be easy. This is what we're focused on right now. Number 10 is our stopping point. We start with this lovely thing full of microbes. We dumped the microbes out, so now we're left with just the biofilm on the side. We're going to fill 1.5 milliliters of crystal violet. That goes above this line, so sorry. Let's say the bacteria only grew to here. We're going to completely submerge it, right, with crystal violet. We're going to let it stand. It's going to seep into the biofilm, just like gram staining. It sucks it in. Then we're going to rinse it out. The original procedure says turn it upside down to dry overnight. We got ways. We'll get into that. Then we're going to add 2 milliliters of acetic acid. Then we're going to take 1 milliliter of that out and put it in a cuvette, which we're then going to spec out. And based on the absorbance at 550 nanometers, it'll tell us which had more biofilm growth.
Can you speak up, Joaquin?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Thank
First,
you.
you gotta dump it out, and then after you dump it out, you gotta gently rinse for 15 seconds 3 times.
Ooh, these containers are even smaller than I thought.
Probably 10 seconds.
Yeah, I would just go until they're at the close to the top. But again, don't spray all the way down. Exactly, you're going at that angle. You see, we even have minor variations. We're doing it side by side. Really, the biggest concern is when you're power washing the biofilm off, or if you're just like washing it 5 or 6 times versus like 2 or 3. All right, we washed it 3 times. Now what are we doing?
Now we put the crystal violet.
As they're setting up, I want you guys to notice like what happens with the difference between when Diego is ready to do something versus Joaquin. You can see the different level of experience because Diego's used to the movements. And that's okay. You're gonna get used to those movements and you'll see that you progress over time.
Find him a new pipette. That one, the release isn't working too well. But yeah, I'm basically putting it straight down. Drip, 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 drip.
We have a 2000.
And then this is where, could I see that rack actually? That rack would make my life so much easier. Here.
Yeah, I don't see.
Timer.
For 10 minutes, so.
Let's go ahead and do more. We need a second set of timer going. Getting ready to go. Do you want to do 2? Do you think you can do 2?
Yeah.
Perfect. So this was not coming out. I mean, son of a gun wasn't coming out. But you see how crowded it gets with just 2 people? You can imagine 6 people doing it. So what we'll end up doing is setting up at least 2 stations. You see how I'm trying to dump it out and it's not dumping out? Capillary action, baby. Capillary action.
What should I label it?
PLA.
Just
PLA, E. coli, biofilm. We'll give that over to Bobby to see if the
Probably because everybody's staring at you.
bars is fine. Perfect.
You're gonna need more timers.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's get all of them lined up first.
Do you want this plastic?
Oh, fun fact. It is 100% possible that these microplastics are embedded in the biofilm and thus it will not come out.
Consideration, I would wonder if 42.
42 seconds.
Dang.
Yeah, we're gonna need another Benjamin.
There's one
Ben-
more.
20 seconds.
Do they have all of our windmills?
Yeah. All of
Oh,
one mils. Are these ones ready to start?
We're just.
Do they have a stand on them?
yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know if you see, this is when I just dumped it. See, there's still extra crystal violet, but you can see the biofilm.
Okay, so
If we don't have purple all over our lab coats, we're not good microbiologists.
But also, this is why it wasn't overfilled, why it
This is
wasn't
after
down
3
the sides,
rinses.
and why it's rinsed before it dries on.
Not doing it for me. But the amount of acetone we put in needs to be the same for all of them. It's finding that balance between
Hey, we're almost making it. Very similar styles.
I should make more vinegar.
We got it.
Yeah, you got it.
acetone, acetic, yeah. Yeah, now's a good time for you to bounce and do that.
That's a great job. Yeah, you just want to make sure that the tip doesn't go into the actual tube because you want to make sure it's.
Putting the tip of the deionized water into the tube because of contamination.
Okay.
Good deal.
Dr. Foxman, would we be able to get a second spec machine from next door? Or are they having class right now?
They're about to start in like 10 minutes, so if you're going to
Yeah.
get one, you need to get one like quick.
All right, I'm gonna run over there and get there. Ariana, do you wanna make sure they're okay with this?
One or two.
I mean, once they're in their beds, they're fine. They take their time.
Well, the thing is, we have to zero out each cuvette.
Yeah.
So if we're doing 2 at a time, that works, but yeah.
Can someone set a 10-minute alarm for us?
When to start?
Yeah, go ahead and start on your first one.
Okay.
That's the whole point
Wait.
of having
Hi,
this.
you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so
You guys
go
go on
ahead.
your third
Second.
one?
You should give me C or D.
Well,
You put this one
it
here
up,
right
it
now,
up
right?
here.
This one.
So what are you testing right
This
now?
is already here. Did you put it?
All right.
Yeah, it was
And then
already.
you're gonna put your thing. I'm
Can
doing
you just
4C.
write down?
This is not ideal, but like, it's the only way we're gonna
This
keep
one
decent
goes
track of this.
here.
You're zero now?
I mean, it's a
Let's
white
go ahead and put half of it in. Again, light.
And then you
vortex,
guys
just like
need
this.
3 mils of hydrochloric acid instead of 2.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I would just hurry up and add them because otherwise you're gonna sit. Yeah, the next time around. Set the deionized water aside.
Do we just get these out? This one's
33, so you got
Oh,
one.
Yes.
Yeah, so your first ones, they.
We got
Oh.
A, B, X, C.
Sorry.
No, you
You're
did.
good, you're good. So
Need to
that's
do each.
2.
This guy.
Oh, we need 1 milliliter.
Yeah,
Do you guys have cuvettes ready for them?
we do.
Okay.
Take your things right on over.
And that's our third.
So line yours up in order. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? The order of which you need to do that. And
All
then
right, this
move
is
all of
3?
them over
Yep, that's
now.
Alright, so I just hit start for 10 minutes.
Whole thing.
And-
Whole thing.
10 minutes up for the last one, so that'll give us times up on what should be
Okay.
completed.
Okay.
So this is the order that we went in.
1, 2, 3. This is our first set.
Okay, so go ahead and pull your first 2.
This one and this one.
Yep. You're gonna.
Oh.
Yeah. You got the first 2? Perfect. Oh, no. Sorry, the first.
first
Each one of you
2.
grab the first
First
one.
one. Okay.
Total of 2. open up
first
this
two.
guy, there's a cuvette, right? Somebody already primed you. It's a clean cuvette. You pull it out of there, you put it in here, you hit 0. Just like a scale, you have to tear it out. You see the very